Hey, you there? How you doing? I got some beads that I got from eBay, and the sound is loud. I had these for a while. I just haven't been able to get to them because of how I've been feeling health-wise. But we're gonna look at them real quick, super quick, super quick. All right. Boom. Glass beads. Java. Beautiful. I love them. I love these. These are really gorgeous. Oh, some have a translucency to them. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my gosh. It's not black. It's actually... Oh, I have no way. It's actually blue. Okay, anyways. These are gorgeous. These are fantastic. I've never seen that color blue in glass. That's a first for me. I think I got those for like $5, that strand. Okay, I'm trying to get this other one in here. So it's really crammed in the bag. Yeah. Boom! Look at this graduated strand of blue dyed cracked agate. Look at that. Oh my gosh. eBay. eBay has some really funky stuff. I think this is somebody's stash they were selling. Look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Like this would be like a fun tropical but like earthy vibe going on. Okay, and then we got some pink magnesite nuggets. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at these nuggets, and these are beautiful. They're the color of my skin. Look at that. Ooh, they are beautiful. I don't see this color that often, so I just went with it. It also went with some of the salmon-y beads that I got from Chelsea's Beads. So, trying to come up with a project with that, but anyways, I'm about to go get my CT scans for my chest and everything. Look at these big nuggets. They're some kind of dyed jasper. Probably like dyed impression jasper. Man, this is the thing. I keep losing my voice when I do videos. Okay. Aren't those gorgeous? I think those are beautiful. So that was one seller, and then there was a free rock. It's just a rock. Cute. I love it. So that was one seller. Okay, and then another seller. These I've been wanting because it used to be hard to get. Just cutting this, the shells will actually like to pop out. You can see the cavity, like there. Can you see that cavity? So the fossils are basically like suspended in agate. It's like kind of like earth resin in a way. Like the earth had a craft project one day, and it's like, we've got all these fossils, and what are we gonna make with wait, we gotta do something with them. That's what my brain does. Look at this piece. Isn't that fantastic? Oh my gosh. Turquoise agate. Turquoise agate is just gorgeous. Oh, it's one of my favorites. I spent a little bit more money on it because, yeah, it can be a little difficult, and you can see the variation in it. And then we got some imperial jasper. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Just stunning. I love stones so much. Oh, look at that one. It's gorgeous. Oh man, like how individual they are. It's like a strand of pendants if you wanted just to get the most use out of it. Only 2 more items. I got some shell. It's really beautiful. It's stunning. I got this for like $5. It's like stunning pieces. Oh no, they're so gorgeous. That was like $5. Y'all gotta check out eBay. I'm from the South. I'm from Texas South, so you know, it's a little different South for some people. And some random stone pendant. I love it. It's kind of got a funky vibe going on in there. Can you see that detailing? So anyways, yeah, this funky pendant. I don't know what it's made of. Looks like either... Oh, wow, I just noticed that. This moves. Oh my goodness, that is weird. Interesting. There's like... It's like this... Oh my gosh. Okay, this... What? This is a first for me. Gosh, my lungs are really bothering me. I just got back. Hey, I just got back from my CT scan, and I'm trying to get that contrast out of my body. Oh boy, it's that's stuff, I don't like it. Anyways, I just noticed this. This spins. Sorry for the coughing. My lungs are really bothering me right now. I just had to go grocery shopping by myself. I'm not even gonna continue on what I was. Anyways, yeah, that was not. Anyways, I don't know what. I've never seen that in a pendant. So, if anybody knows if that's any specific kind of pendant, I don't know if that represents like the moon cycles. I don't know. But anyways, sorry. You know, eBay, still great place to find these bags out of here. Get these bags out of here. Get those bags out of here. I'm trying to do a really high voice, but I can't. My lungs are just not doing it because my cat, she goes bananas to do the high voice. She gets really weird. Anyways, eBay. Do it. Go check it out. I mean, you just can look. You don't have to buy anything. You can look. Look at that $40 price tag on there. Do you see that $40 price tag? Those people are bananas. Bananas, bananas, bananas. For some Jasper, $40. Okay. Yeah. Check out eBay. I think Mama's Estate and Melissa Vinci. I need to look how you say her name. I'll put their links below in the description. Like, subscribe, comment, join my Facebook group, Diani Adorned Beads. I put content over there that, I don't know, like just recently I posted some content of my, some photos I found from my old portfolio, like just a few photos of like painting, surface finishing I did a long time ago. Like these are like printed out photos, like when you would go to the drugstore on the corner and give them film. Ancient Rebecca. Anyways, I get these. I don't really usually go for this type of dyed cracked agate stuff, but I'm really digging it. I really like it with these colors. That's so much fun. I wonder if that looks interesting. What does that look like for the camera? What do you guys think? Is that too freaking crazy? Is that too wild? Oh, that pink looks kind of... I don't know. Anyways, I'm probably got like too much radiation in my body right now. Literally. Hey, can I be the first like irradiated beater channel? Always radioactive all the time. Diani Adorned Beads. Well, thank you for being here. I'm gonna go relax now because my back is killing me. Love you guys. I love all your support. I know I gotta catch up with comments. I've been having a lot of anxiety. So yeah, I'm trying to cope with that. Love you guys. Thanks for hanging with me. Chat with me down in the comments or join my Facebook group. You can always message me. I try to respond to everybody. I value everybody's input. Yeah, so it's kind of like it's not just me, it's like we're a team. So yeah, I love you guys. Have a great day. Take care of yourselves and your family and your pets. Here's my cat. Oh my gosh, she's finally here. She finally woke up. Oh, where did she go? There she is, right there. You see? Oh, you see the mess of my other project? I know I'm going on a crazy tangent. Hey, you want to say hi? Yeah, you're good. Yeah, I'm gonna also edit part 1 of my fabric series, or fiber and fabrics. This is kind of a tease. There's some teases. Okay. So, gotta edit stuff, so I gotta clean off this table or something, some area where I can put out my cutting mat and use my rotary cutting tool. I mean, I need to get my sewing machine right here out of there, and I also need to find more of my fibers. Like I found a ton right here. Like it's a ton. Oh, hey, come on, lady, come over here. Come on, girl. Hey, girl, come on. Talk to the camera. Hey, hey, psst, psst. Hey, talk to the camera. I know, you're like, you don't want to talk to cameras. You like talking to people. Yeah. Here we go. We gotta always get permission to pet this cat because she's very special. Always gotta get permission to pet her. Okay, I'm a nut. Oh, anyway, so, markers and stuff. I'm exploring who I am and how I do things. I'm decided to ramble on even longer at the end of this video, but I'm just gonna be myself. I keep thinking, what can I do? What can I do? And I'm like, just do the stuff you've always done. If you pick up a new skill, that's cool, but do what you know for now and just work with it. So I'm gonna start a fiber and fabric series, and along with some trade bead and historical stuff. Yeah, a lot of things like, hi, Sweets. You're Sweets. Sweets the cat. Even though that's not your name, but that's what I call you. I already forgot what I was talking about. There's still that cognitive thing. I need to drink more water and get this radiation out of my body. Love, like, there's a floating heart and it's coming your way. I'm pushing it into the camera and into you. Love you guys. Bye. My room's a mess. Love you.